Guys, if there's anybody who is hurtful, is this child. If there's anybody who's really, 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 really hurtful, is this child. Her face says it all. Even though she's not saying it, but her face is telling the story. Guys, welcome to the Trends Trending. Yo, oh Samke, poor Samke. Guys, I feel for Samke. I really, really feel for Samke because I don't know, whatever that is going on now, she never thought it's gonna be like this. I think Samke just saw the time that life was good. The four wives were going to the Mercedes-Benz dealership to go and get their Mercedes-Benzes. They used to go on trips. They used to have dinner together and everything. And she looked at that life and she was like, you know what? This is the life that I want. She only looked at the picture perfect life on the screen. She didn't know that she's gonna meet with resistance. Now Umosa is complaining that Lomtana has got an attitude. We are complaining that Lomtana has got an attitude. But to be honest enough, as a human being, what are you going to do? How are you expected to behave in this situation? I mean, when people come with a positive attitude, with a beautiful aura, you're gonna reciprocate. You're gonna give them love back. You're gonna be a beautiful person, nice person towards them. But if people are telling you every day on their diary sessions that azikfuni number 5 azimfuna, how are you gonna behave? You are going to have that thing. You even gonna be anxious. You're gonna have anxiety problems because it's a problem. I don't want to lie. Your gut is gonna be always up because of this situation that you find yourself in, and it's not nice. I still remember the time that Musa was still in love. You know, the time that Musa was still in love with Lomtan, the time that they were making babies, the honeymoon phase of their relationship, the time that Musa used to go to diary sessions and talk nonsense about his wives. Musa said, those who doesn't want number 5, they can go. Those who doesn't want number 5, they can go. Even when Samke, if people don't want you, that one is not even a problem. They must go. They must go. They must go. Today, he is complaining about the attitude yaga Samke. Samke, this attitude of yours is gonna delay things. Hey, Isn't it you during Pillar Tech who was telling Samke to not to be a softie? Not to be a softie. Don't let anybody intimidate you. Today things are hard. Now you want again to tell Samke, your attitude, poor Samke. Guys, sometimes I blame Samke. Sometimes I blame Samke because you cannot come and hang yourself with this type of life at this tender age. At this tender age where your people of your age are going to movies hand in hand with their men. They are going to the beach. They are going to holidays. They are happy. When instead of enjoying your life, you are busy fighting. You are busy fighting. Your gut is up. You don't have peace. You don't have peace because you put yourself in things that are bigger than you. Everybody in that relationship, Musa is 50 years. Musa lived his life. The wives lived their life. When you are at the beginning of your life, you don't know life, you haven't dated a lot, you don't know anything. Now you have to catch up with people who are already halfway through their life. It's not fair. It's not fair. I think sometimes she must sit down and think these things through. It's not fair. I don't want to lie. If Musa wanted babies, Musa was supposed to go with Makumalo and do IVF. The way Makumalo asked. Makumalo asked, Musa refused. IVF, Musa was going to be having 2 babies again with Makumalo by now. And there was gonna be peace in that family. So look now. Guys, it's hard, eh? It's hard. Anyways, let's wait and see what the next episodes are bringing us, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.